Thank you for joining me for this goddess flow, balancing yin and yang forces. We'll make our way through once on the right side and once on the left side of this flow, focusing also on balance in the body and centering in the mind. Find a mountain pose with a strong connection up through the soles of your feet up a long spine, and come to a 1-to-1 inhale to exhale breath. Arms down by your sides. You'll shift the weight onto your left foot. Step the right foot forward and sweep the arms up, stretching through the front side of the body. Then you'll shift your weight back onto your left foot and sweep down over the right leg. Once again, shift the weight to the right foot and gracefully lift, sweeping upward. Shift weight back into the left foot and move that right foot out to the side. Align the right foot arch with the front heel, warrior two. Make sure your tailbone's pointed down, that you center your torso so the spine grows up. Push the front knee out so that you can see the big toe inside of your knee. And again, connect with the soles of the feet in warrior two. Now point the toes outward, 45 degrees for goddess. Come to squat, but check that the tailbone is pointed down. Lengthen the lower back, broaden through the chest. Nice and strong here. Then straighten the legs, point the toes a little bit inward, and you're going to fold into a wide-legged forward fold. Bend the knees as much as you need to get your spine nice and long. Then you'll come up for a half lift, lengthening through the backs of the legs, lengthening through the spine, all the way out through the crown of the head. And then you can bend your knees and gracefully bow back down into a fold, nice and heavy. Next, you'll pivot the feet forward, front toes back towards the front of the mat, and the right toes come forward about 60 degrees for warrior one. The heels are aligned. The front knee only comes over the ankle, and again, feel the weight through the entire feet. The hips come forward, but not all the way forward. Find something comfortable. It's still a good challenge for you. And then sweep the arms up. Holding that ball of energy overhead, you'll shift the weight into the left foot and come up into a warrior three. Feel yourself like a teeter-totter, where the leg only comes as high as the arms go low, vice versa. And then bring the feet back together. Holding that ball of energy up above you, come into a chair, flatten the low back, and you can raise or lower that ball of light or energy. Bring yourself back up to stand and lift the right foot. Hold it in your right hand. Kick the foot out into the hand and find yourself tipping your teacup into the king dancer pose. And then release. Reach up, palms to the heart center, and take a couple of breaths, preparing to do this again. Arms down by your sides. Shift the weight into your right foot this time. Left foot steps forward. Take the weight there as you sweep up through the front side of your body. Then shift the weight back into your right. Sweep down over the left. And again, you'll reach up, lift up, stepping towards your left foot. And now you'll take the weight into your right foot. And the left foot glides back, aligning the arch of the left with the heel of the right. Warrior two, bending that front knee and looking over the front fingers, being straight through the back leg. Weight out towards the outside of the foot. Center the torso, be long in the spine. And then you'll take both toes out towards 45 degrees. Get ready to become a powerful goddess. Take a nice deep breath into the torso. As you come up, your toes point a little bit inward. Prepare to fold over bent knees if you must. Most of us do. And then you'll come up for a half lift, straight through the legs, long through the spine. Lift the torso as needed, and then gently lower back down over bent knees. Let your hands, head, and shoulders reach for the floor, the ground. And then you'll pivot those toes back towards the front. Line up the heels. Back toes come forward about 60 degrees. Front knee over the ankle. Reach up with your ball of light and energy in a warrior one. Check in with a long spine, a broad chest. Then take that ball of light and energy forward. Shift weight onto the right foot. Come up into a powerful warrior three. Pivoting on that standing leg. Then sweeping that ball of energy up overhead and taking it down into your chair. Lower the ball again as needed. Align the spine by lengthening the lower back and lifting through the back of the neck. Then lift up to standing. Take the left hand behind you. Reach for the left foot as it comes up. And kick into the hand with the foot. And then see if you can tip your cup into dancer. When you release, draw the arms back up overhead. Prepare to bring the hands in front of heart center. Thank you for joining me, and come to the next video for 3 rounds of Goddess Flow. Namaste.